Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if incoming calls are not showing on your Android display. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, if incoming calls, missed calls are not being notified or showing. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the phone app. Select the three-dot icon on the top right and then select the settings button. And then go down underneath where it says voicemail, and you want to select that. Select the notifications button, and then you want to toggle notifications on if it's currently off. You want to make sure vibrations enabled as well as sound. So you want to make sure all that's turned on and toggled to the on position. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.